Hey, my loves. It's phonics time, it's special sounds time, and today is another set of very cool special sounds. You know why? Because it's 3-in-1. Or 1-in-3, actually, I would say. Not 3-in-1, 1-in-3. It's one special sound written 3 different ways. How cool is that? It all says the same thing, but we can write it in 3 different ways. Okay? So, it's 3 different vowels. E, I, and U. So E, I, and U. And next to these 3 vowels is the consonant R. So every time you see ER, IR, or UR, you know that it's a special sound that says What does it say? One more time, what does it say? So this one, ER, in verse, in bird, and in nurse. They all say What do they say? And Same sound written 3 different ways. Okay? So you just got to pay attention whenever you're reading your books or you see signs or whenever you see these letters together, R next to E, I, or U, it'll say What will it say? In verse, in bird, in nurse. One more time. And Same special sound. Same sound. No difference. Say it with me. Again. Just you. Again. In. In. Perfect. Again. With me. In verse. In bird. In nurse. One more time. In verse. In bird. In nurse. Okay, ready to go to the board? Let's go to the board. Okay. So, I am going to save us some time. Okay? And I'm going to tell you already that we are not marking any vowels. We're not marking any vowels because these are all special sounds. So all we got to do is circle. Okay? They're all special sounds. You are going to see vowels in these words, but we don't mark them as vowels because they're not just vowels. They are special sounds. So just tell me what to circle. Okay? I'm not going to try to trick you today. Just tell me what to circle. What do I circle here? Perfect. ER because it says Perfect. In verse. What do I circle in this one? You are. Perfect. And it also says in nurse. What about this one? What do I circle here? Yes, IR. Another special sound that also says in bird. What about this one? Oh, there it is again. IR. In bird. Now let's go to the words in the bottom now. What about this word? Which letters do I circle? You are. Perfect. In nurse. What about this one? What do I circle here? Perfect. Yes, IR. Special sound that says in bird. Am I done? No, good catch. There's another special sound here. Which one? In stop. Look at you guys. Perfect job. Now what about this one? What do I circle here? Yes, I circle ER. In verse. And last but not least, what about this word? What do I circle here? Yes, you are. In nurse. Very, very good. So now it's reading time. We're going to sound it out first, and we're going to go back and read them all without sounding it out. Are you ready? Her. Per, purse. Girl, girl. Kirk. Burn. First. Serve. Turn. Now without sounding it out. Are you ready? Read with me. Are you letting me read all by myself? You're not letting me read all by myself, right? You're reading with me, right? I hope so. Wanna hear your voices. Let's all read together. Her. Purse. Girl. Kirk. Burn. First. Serve. Turn. Awesome job, kiddos.